Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Data. So in this video, we are going to see how to assign and modify roles using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. The lesson plan is assigning and modifying roles in Microsoft Teams Admin Center for a team. So what are all the roles in the what are all the roles in Microsoft Teams? Briefly discuss about each roles and live demo of how to assign and modify roles in a team using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Okay. So in Microsoft Teams, assigning and modifying roles is essential for managing team and ensuring that everyone has the appropriate permissions. So what are all the roles in Microsoft Teams? There are only actually two roles. One is owner and member. Owner and member are the two roles within Microsoft Teams. The user who creates the team is granted owner status by default. Owner and member have different types of permissions and capabilities when interacting with the teams and its channels. We will see all one by one now. So the first role would be owner and the second role would be owner. Additionally, there is also one more role which is guest role. We can discuss about this role as well in this video. So owner role and permissions for the owners. In a team, the owner can create, edit and delete teams. Owner can add and remove members and guests from the team. Manage team settings and permission. Owner can create and manage the channels within that team. Owner can assign roles to the other members. Roles can be either owner or member role. Responsibility of a owner. Oversees the team activities and ensures smooth operations. Manage team settings and configurations and delegate tasks and responsibilities. Next is member. Permission for the members. Participate in conversation and meetings. View and upload files. Create and edit channels if allowed by the owner. Access team resources and apps. Responsibilities. Contribute to team projects and discussions. Contribute with other team members. Collaborate with other team members, sorry. Follow team guidelines and protocols. Additionally, we are going to discuss about guest role as well. What are the permission guest would be having? Participate in team conversation, access shared files and resources, collaborate on documents with limited permissions. Responsibilities. Collaborate on specific tasks or projects, respect the team members' rules and guidelines, maintain confidentiality and security of shared information. Each role is designed to balance collaboration and security, ensuring that team members have the access they need while protecting the sensitive information. Okay, so these are all the steps how we are going to assign roles and manage teams using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Don't worry, we have a live demo step by step that we will do it now. So for that, open any of the browser. I'm opening Chrome browser, Edge browser, and type portal.microsoft.com. .microsoft.com. So when I click on portal.microsoft.com, it directly took me to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Here, expand, click on show all and expand. And then under the admin centers, select Teams. That will take you to Microsoft 365 Teams Admin Center. In the Microsoft 365 Teams Admin Center, expand Teams under dashboard, expand Teams and click on manage teams. Yes. If you see here, there are multiple teams which I have already created. So how to create a team, that there is a different video that you can just go through and see how to create a team. what are all the ways and options to create the teams. Okay, now we are going to see in a team how to add a member and assign roles and modify roles for that members. Okay, so for example, I am opening the first team, which is a TSC team, tag team. Click on that team. If you see here, there is only one owner which is there. So by default, Guna S has created, which is me. I have created the team. So by default, I am as a owner of this team. So now I'm going to add an additional owner just by clicking on add owner. Now I'm going to make Lancris as a owner of this team. Click on add owner, add the team member and click on apply. So after you click on apply, you see Lancris is the owner of this member. Now I'm going to add member. I'm going to add Rose Leckham. You see Rose Leckham, yes. Add Rose Leckham, click on apply. No, see now the Lancris is the owner and Rose Leckham is a member of the tag team. So this is how you have to add owner and member for a team. Now I'm going to modify the role. See, here is the role. Status, whether the user is the list of team owner or a member. Only two roles are there. So now I'm going to modify the member of the role. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make Rose Leckham as a owner of this team and make Lancris as a member of this team. Okay, for that, just click on this drop down list and make Rose Leckham as a owner and click on confirm. See, now Rose Leckham became a owner. I'm going to make Lancris as a member of this team. Just click on member and click on confirm. Yes. Now, if you have seen, Rose Leckham is the owner and Lancris is the member. This is how you have to modify. This is how you have to modify the roles for members inside the team using Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Now, how to add the guest. For that, click on add members. Go to search for you in the search for user. Type the email address of the guest. For example, I'm going to add Guna BLR. Outlook.com. So I have added. See, this is how. Just click on apply. So this is how you have to invite the guest. You cannot modify the guest role. Only the owner and members roles can be modified. So now you see there is one guest I have invited. There is one owner which I have modified. There is one member. By default, I am the owner of this team. So this is how you have to add and modify roles and invite guests for the team. Understood? So in order to verify this, you can also verify the same in the Microsoft Teams client. This is the Teams client, Microsoft Teams client, desktop client. So here, if you go to Teams, you see the tag team. See here, you see the tag team here. Under the tag team, click on the manage team. Under the manage team, you see here, there are two owners. One is by default me, Guna, and the second owner would be Rose Leckham. And the Guna underscore BLR is the guest user, and the Lancris, who is just a member of this team. Here you can also you can add member. You can add member. You can also add guest. See, just by clicking on Lancris, you can just add here. So here also there is now this is the option for you to add and remove and modify members in the Microsoft Teams client. So as I told, owner can create the channel also. See here, I'm going to add a channel. The channel name is um, sales sales discussions, sales status. So it is going to be everyone on this team has there are channel type you have to select standard. Everyone on this team has access. Only people or teams in your organization or outside the organization can have access. The private, the specific people on the teams can have access. So I'm going to select standard. Automatically show the channels to everyone in the channel list. Okay. So this is how you can create. By default, team owner can create the channel. Description is an optional. You can write sale to discuss about. Of July. Just click on create. If you see, new channel has been created. This is a team, tag team, and under the tag team, new channel has been created. So the channel name is sales status. See so whenever you create a team by default the general channel is created, but that is by default created. You cannot modify, delete or do anything. Under general, you can create multiple channels and team owner can modify the settings. The team owner can manage the channels. Like, you can see the settings. Everyone can start a new post so like this. To discuss about styles of this, you can edit the channel. So these are all the options that you see. You can manage the channel. By default, team owner can manage the channels. You can also delete the channels. These are all the options that you have in the Microsoft Teams client using Teams client. All right. So we have seen how to add member and modify assigned roles for that member and modify the roles, and how to verify the members in the Teams client, and how to add also members and owners using Teams client, how to create channels in the Teams client. Those things that we have discussed, we have seen in this video. Hope it was very helpful. So in order to learn more about assign team owners and members in Microsoft Team Admin Center, so this is the link which is there. I have provided the link in the description also for your easy access. Just go through this link and learn more about how to assign team owners and members, and what are the roles and responsibilities of team owners and members in the Microsoft Teams Admin Centers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.